Today is Thursday, February 14th. This is the 1972 Buick Riviera clock that has been fully taken apart and restored from my friend Michael Burke in Canville, Maryland. The unit has been completely disassembled and cleaned. The lens has been polished with high clarity and the scratches removed, the bezel reconditioned, and of course the clock rebuilt as the original turnstile was badly damaged. So I'm going to go ahead and activate it as if it was under power in the car, and the solid state movement begins. In here you can see the incremental second hand moving, and I'll go ahead and turn the clock around so we can see the movement of the clock. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and assemble it and create a couple final review photos for Michael. One thing that Michael's clock did not have was the 72 Buick Riviera knob, which I have right here, and I'll go ahead and install that too if Michael wants it. So this is a 1972 Buick Riviera clock. It's the same as the Cadillac clock. This is Georgia, Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for 1967 to 1976 Cadillacs, and I rebuild the clocks, the power drive mechanisms for the seats, the steering wheels, and the steering columns. Today's February 14th. Thank you very kindly.